Good morning, student. In the last video, we have completed the lesson number 11, statistics. Now we are going to start the lesson number 12, equation in one variable. Equation in one variable you have studied in the previous standard also. What is equation? Whenever you have two mathematical expression and when you are comparing two mathematical equation by putting a equal sign, then you are going to call it's equation, right? And the value of the variable which satisfies the given equation is called the solution of the equation, right? So there are some rules whenever you are using a mathematical operation, means addition, subtraction, multiplication and the division between the equations. So there are some rules that you have to add the same number to the both side, right, while solving the sum, or you have to subtract the same number from the both side. Means whatever operation you are going to apply, whether it is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, you have to apply it on both the side of the equation, right? So these are some rules. So equation means there should be an equal sign, which we have already started in the previous section. Now we are going to solve the more sum based on this, right? So our topic is solution of equation in one variable. Solution of equation in one variable. Let's just see example. For example number 1, 2 times x minus 3 is equals to 3 upon 5 into x plus 4, right? So as I told you the rules, whichever operation you are going to apply, whether it is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, it's an equation in one variable, you have to apply that operation on both the side of the equation. So suppose first of all I am going to multiply both the side by, I am going to apply the multiplication operation. So I have to remove this 5. So I am going to multiply both the side by 5. So here you have to solve like this, multiply both sides by 5. So what you are going to get? 5 into 2, it's minus 3. 5 into 3 upon 5, x plus 4. 5 cancel, 5 2s are 10. X minus 3 is equals to 3, x plus 4. Now open the bracket, right? After opening the bracket, what you are going to get? 10x minus 30 is equals to 3x plus 12. Now I am going to remove this integer. So what I am going to do? I am going to add 30. Adding 30 to both sides. So after doing the addition of 30, what you are going to get? Plus minus minus, here you will get 10x is equals to 3x plus 12 plus 30, 42. I am going to remove this 3x from here because I have to find the value of x, right? So what you are going to do? Subtract. Subtract 3x from both sides. So you will get 10x minus 3x is equals to 7x. Plus minus minus cancel, you will get 42. Now see, divide. Now I want the value of x. So what I am going to do? I am going to divide both the side by 7. So your next operation is divide both sides by 7. So what you will get? 7x upon 7 is equals to 42 upon 7. So therefore your x value is 6. Clear? 7 7. 7 1 is 7 cancel. 7 1 is 7. 7 6 is 42. Now see, in this equation we have applied all the 4 operations. First we have applied the multiplication, then addition, then subtraction, and then division. So this is how you are going to apply the mathematical operation on both the side of the equation while solving the sum. Clear? This is called the solution of the equation in one variable. Clear? Now let's just see the more example. What if you have a sum like this? Example, x minus 7 upon x minus 2 is equals to 5 upon 4. So your first step is you have to do the cross multiplication. So what you will get? 4 into x minus 7 into 5 into x minus 2. Now open the bracket. What you will get? 4 is 28, 5x minus 10. Now what you have to do? You have to remove this. You can directly shift the number also, right? If you are going to shift this 5x over here, so you will get 4x minus 5x, and minus 10, shift this over here, plus 28. Whenever you are shifting the number, it changes its sign. If it is minus, it will turn into a plus. If it is plus, then it will turn into a minus. What you will get? 4 minus 5 is minus 1, sign of the bigger number, therefore you will get minus x, plus minus minus, 28 minus 10 is 18, sign of the bigger number, so therefore your x value is minus 18. Clear? Or you can just write the adding 28 on both the side. Let's just see one more example. Upon 3 plus 5a is equals to 4. So your first step will be you have to see, first you have to remove this fraction. So what you have to do? You have to multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. Okay. Each term by 3. So you will get 3 into 2 upon 3. 3 into 5a is equals to 3 into 4. 3 1s are 3. 2 plus 5 3s are 15. 3 4s are 12. Clear? Now what you have to do? You have to do the subtraction. So you can directly shift this number over here like this. 15a is equals to 12. This is plus. It will change its sign. You will get minus 2. Right? Or you can just apply the operation, right? Subtract 2 from both sides. So what you will get? 2 minus 2 plus 15a is equals to 12 minus 2. So you will get 15a is equals to 10. Now your next step will be dividing both this side by, you can directly write this 10 upon 15, or you can just write divide both this side by 15. So what you will get? 15a upon 15 is equals to 10 upon 15. Right? Here 5 2s are by 3 is. So therefore value of a is 2 upon 3. Clear? So this is how you are going to solve the equation in one variable.